In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom Yahoo Mail text for easier reading. If you've ever opened an email and felt like the text was just too small, difficult to read, or uncomfortable on your eyes, this quick trick will help you instantly make the content larger or smaller in just a few seconds. The best part is that you don't need to install any extensions or change complicated settings. This simple keyboard shortcut works directly in your browser while using Yahoo Mail. It's especially useful if you read a lot of emails throughout the day or if you simply want a more comfortable viewing experience. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to zoom in and zoom out of Yahoo Mail text whenever you need. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and useful tech tutorials just like this one. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Yahoo Mail. Once you're inside your inbox, find the email that you want to read more clearly. Click on that email to open it so the message appears fully on your screen. At this stage, you'll see the entire email content, including the text, links, and images exactly as they were sent. Sometimes the default size can appear small depending on your screen resolution or browser settings. Instead of struggling to read the message, you can quickly zoom in to enlarge everything on the page. This makes the text easier to read without changing any permanent settings inside Yahoo Mail itself. Now that the email is open, here is the quick trick that makes everything easier to see. On your keyboard, press and hold the Ctrl key, which is labeled as Control. While holding the Control key, move your mouse wheel upward to zoom in. As you scroll the wheel up, the entire page, including the Yahoo Mail text, will gradually become larger. If the text becomes too large, simply keep holding the Control key and scroll the mouse wheel downward to zoom back out. This allows you to adjust the zoom level until the email text feels comfortable for your eyes. You can use this method anytime while reading emails, and it works instantly without refreshing the page. This shortcut is actually a browser zoom feature, so it works not only in Yahoo Mail, but also on many other websites when you want to enlarge text. Once you finish reading the email, you can always return the page to normal by zooming out with the same Control and the mouse wheel shortcut until the size feels right again. And that's it. That's how you zoom Yahoo Mail text for easier reading in just a few seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.